It's 27.
27. Here we go. Otis Lexan.
This is a new style Lexan.
Yep.
In the late 70s to the 80s.
And there's your Otis nameplate.
Come on in. Is this everyone?
That's everyone.
Alrighty.
Which one do I push?
Go ahead and press 1.
That one? Not only that you brought us up here, but for you supporting into my elevator passion.
Of course. Anytime.
These are your fixtures. They're Otis newer Lexan. If it's okay if I look at the phone.
Of course.
No phone in there. Anyways, make sure to go check out Andrew Reams at youtube.com/user/dieseldoocy.
And here we are at 1.
I just want to get one last caveat of this beauty.
You guys have a good afternoon.
Door indicators. Lexan call button. We love Lexan. Otis. Who's that in the back?
It's me!
The elevators.
Here's Captain Elevator 4219 getting a cab view extensively.
And with that being said,
That is going to be it, and happy birthday UT Austin.